Hi, in this video we will show you the Asansör, which is Turkish for elevator. The Asansör is a historical tower in Izmir's Karataş quarter. You can easily reach it by tram at the stop Karataş, and from there you just follow the signs. You will soon reach Dario Moreno Street, which is a small street with cafes, and the tower here at the end. The original elevator was built in 1907 and transported people and goods to the upper part of town.
Kat 1.
Asansör geldi.
Nowadays the tower still exists, but the elevator has been replaced with a modern one. Once you reach the top, you can enjoy some wide-ranging views of the Izmir Bay area, which we will show you now.